Okay, we're starting by taking all the glazing strips out. These are behind the windows, so what we're doing is just prying them out. What happens is they get stuck in there with silicone sometimes, so we're going to use a heat gun to soften it up. Okay, you can see how much quicker and easier it is with the heat gun. And now what I'm doing is just heating the sealant that's on the window, and we're going to push it out. Okay, so with a little heat gun, getting the sealant heated up and cut on both sides, and getting the glazing strips out, we're ready to pull the window out. Okay, and that's the way you get the window out. Get ready to pop this glass out. I don't want to get glass in my eyes, so I'm going to put goggles on. I'm going to put some gloves on so I don't cut my hands. Okay, now that we have all the glass out of here, we're going to just take a reciprocating saw and cut these cross braces, and we'll start prying the window out. To put goggles on, there's a lot of little small chips of glass that's still in these frames and it's flying around. I don't get it in my eye. I brought a piece of 2x4 so I can pry against and not break the bricks. Okay, you can keep prying and just forcing the window into the middle from the sections here. I find it easier just to go ahead and cut these and break out the smaller pieces. see where the nail was holding the window flange in. And it's all out. What we're going to do is just where we have excess mortar sticking out, we're just going to chip it off so we'll be able to slide the new window right back in here. Okay, this is our new window we're going to put in. This window, when the flange is on here, is a new installation. What we need to do is get this flange off so we can slip it in the hole that we already have and then screw it from inside. So I'm going to use a knife to score this plastic and break this flange off. Again, you're just going to score it below this little seam, break it back, and now you have this flange out of your way. You need a sharp knife in order to get it to cut and break. You can also saw it off. I'm going to show you how to do it with a saw. Okay, it's plastic, so it cuts pretty easy. Okay, you can see it's just plastic, so it's just as easy to cut it with a saw if you have one. Probably faster. Or if you got a real sharp knife, you can score it and break it. Okay, we got all the flanges off. Now we're ready to slip our window into the hole. Okay, to put the window in, you just slide it right in. Now what we're going to do is screw it on the inside and come back in and cork everything. Okay, instead of screwing into the sides, I'm going to put 2 screws on the base. We're going to go up here with 2 screws in the top. Alright, now we got to do left is come back and cork the small gaps that we have between the sides and the flange of the windows all the way across here. And then cork the outside and we're done.